Sunhead's efforts did not work, and what you see for this.
Yeah, you see these new trends, such a big market opportunity that there's some very smart people, and actually David Crane at NRG was a pioneer creating Energy Yield, I think it's called, and then Ahmad at Sunhead did Terraform, and then eventually Terraform Global, and of course NextEra had a very successful YieldCo. So some very smart people, and so Sunpower wasn't exactly a pioneer in the YieldCo idea. In fact, we were the last ones to quote get out, to get public. Likewise, you could look at other things like microinverters and some other trends where maybe we're a fast follower. I think there's so much growth opportunity to think that we're going to be a leader in everything. It takes storage, energy management, integration. We have to choose our spots, which we'll probably talk about. YieldCo, we were a fast follower, and we looked at it, so we benefited to some degree. But what's happening with YieldCo, is you think about it, I'm a big investor in our YieldCo. Why? I get 6% after tax. But by the way, you guys make your own investment decision. Please don't. There's some safe harbor statement I should be saying. So it's your call. You get over 6% after tax return on your money. And then, so you'd have to say, that's obviously great. So then why wouldn't you do it? Well, you wouldn't do it if you believe that 6% isn't going to last, which means what? It means either the solar projects aren't going to deliver the energy, or there won't be enough solar projects, i.e. in this case for solar and Sunpower, to drop down at the entity. Now, I think it's a pretty bold position to take that you don't think solar is going to work. I mean, it obviously does. We have 7 gigawatts in the field, and then that for solar and Sunpower somehow aren't going to be able to drop down enough projects. I think those are pretty low-risk propositions. So what's happening, in my view, is you look at MLPs, which, to be fair, that's what a YieldCo is emulating. Now, an MLP is not a great place to be. Oil and gas assets drop down in MLPs and pay a dividend. Well, there aren't a lot of new oil, at least relatively speaking, and I'm not an expert, but so what's happening is that the lack of oil and gas investment means MLPs are out of favor, which means YieldCos are out of favor. So you sort of have a herd mentality, in my opinion. We'll see if I'm right, because what should happen is they should separate in time. That isn't happening yet, but in my view, it should.
Okay. However, if MLP